Once upon a time, a hare and a tortoise were having a conversation in the forest. The hare boasted about how fast he was and challenged the tortoise to a race. The tortoise, who was known for his slow and steady nature, accepted the challenge. As the race began, the hare quickly took the lead and ran ahead of the tortoise. He was so far ahead that he decided to take a nap under a shady tree, thinking he had plenty of time to win the race. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. He did not stop to rest or take a break. He just kept going, determined to finish the race. When the hare woke up from his nap, he realized that the tortoise was getting closer to the finish line. He quickly started running again, but it was too late. The tortoise had already crossed the finish line and won the race. The hare was shocked and asked the tortoise how he won the race. The tortoise simply replied,
"Slow and steady wins the race, my friend."
The moral of the story is that it's not always about being the fastest or the strongest, but about being consistent and persistent in your efforts. No matter how slow you may be, if you keep moving forward and never give up, you can still achieve great things.